install BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 shell type oil bolt kit. Using torque wrench to remove wheel bolts of your rims. Then install BONOSS Forge Grade 12.9 wheel bolts on. Each set have 4 locking wheel bolts that prevent your expensive wheels from being stacked. We install 1 locking bolt on each wheel. Using 17mm socket to tighten the wheel bolt in a star pattern. Mounting the shell on BONOSS Grade 12.9 wheel bolts and torque it with 5 Nm to 10 Nm. If you need to change the shell color, just remove the shell and replace it. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time, bye bye!